How to pin comments on YouTube Shorts. Now, if you want to pin comments on YouTube Shorts, it doesn't matter whether it is a short or a normal video. You can just log into your YouTube app normally right here. Go to your library and first of all, just switch to the channel where you want to pin a certain comment on your short. Once done, simply go to your channel's page here. Then just go to Shorts. Then from the Shorts tab, you'll be able to see a list of shorts. You can browse the according short that you want. Then just select that particular short. Then just tap on its comment box. Now if you want to pin it, make sure you have got channel access. Then tap on the three dots option. Then just tap on the pin button to pin that comment, and you can repeat the process for any of the other options that you want to. This way you'll be able to pin comments on YouTube Shorts. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.